Hello friends, welcome to Her Studies. The question which is coming out from the people of India that when will metro, schools and cinema halls are going to reopen? Are they going to reopen from September 1 or not? So I am going to tell you the plan which is prepared by the central government of India that when will cinema halls, metro and schools are going to reopen. So my name is Harsh Thapar and let's start. So first of all, we have to study the data of coronavirus on 23rd August 2020, that is today. If I'm talking about the present cases in India, so it is around 3.4 million active cases in India, in which 2.28 million people have recovered, which means 30 lakh people have suffered or are suffering from coronavirus, in which 22 lakh people have recovered. 22 lakh people have recovered. So the present active cases in India of coronavirus are 8 lakh active present cases in India. 8 lakhs present active cases in India of coronavirus. Out of these, 4 lakh people, 4 lakhs people are home quarantine. So only 4 lakh people are hospitalized in India for coronavirus. 4 lakh people are hospitalized for coronavirus in India. If I'm talking about the population of India, which is very huge, 130 plus crore, 130 plus crore people are living in India, in which only 4 lakhs people are suffering from coronavirus. Not only 4 lakhs, it is a huge data, but as compared to different countries, we are having a very high recovery rate. India's COVID-19 recovery rate is very good. It is around 70%. It is around 70%, that is 30 lakh present cases, in which 22 lakh people have recovered from coronavirus. We have very huge, we have very good recovery rate from coronavirus. So now we have to discuss what is the central government plan, how to reopen cinema halls, schools and metro. From September 1, the fourth phase of opening unlocking process will begin in India. So from September 1, school, cinema halls, metro and other things are going to reopen. Though several states are continuing with partial, full and weekly lockdowns, some states are having in the favor of partial, full or weekly lockdowns. That is, they have locked down their states for Saturday and Sunday and for night curfews. This comes at a time when the number of total cases of infection in India has crossed 3 million. As I showed the data of coronavirus, it is around 3 million active cases, 3 million cases. But notwithstanding the figure, some relaxations are likely to be allowed in September. So central government has planned to give you some you can say relaxations for unlocking for. Reports said the center may gonna go ahead to standalone cinema halls in September. So the central government has decided to open cinema halls which are standalone. Standalone cinema halls are those cinema halls which are away from multiplexes. That is, they are not in shopping malls or etc. The standard opening procedure of staggered seating, contactless ticketing has already been made. So the cinema halls have already prepared how to reopen the sitting arrangement and online ticketing, booking, etc. So what about the metro services? Restricted metro services in India may resume in September for 15 days. So from September 1 to September 15, they are taking a trial basis. Reports said only 50 passengers will be allowed in a coach, and the services like Mumbai locals will be open to only essential staff. So if I'm talking about Delhi Metro, only 50 passengers are allowed in one box. And if I'm talking about Mumbai locals, only essential services are allowed. Okay, as several state governments have announced that they will take a decision of reopening of the school. Now the major question which are coming out from the students of India, that when will our schools are going to reopen. So the state governments are going to decide at the last week of August. It is believed that center will give a go ahead to the states to reopen schools. So the central government has decided to give a, you can say, a green flag to reopen schools, but the total or the final decision is up to the state government. However, the center has maintained that no much decision has been taken in this regard. It is being speculated that center will leave the decision up to the state government. So the central government will leave the decision of reopening schools and colleges to state government. Now the state government have all the powers to reopen schools and colleges. They will study the data of coronavirus and then they will are going to reopen schools and colleges. Now I have told you about that how cinema halls, schools and colleges are going to reopen in India, and they are going to reopen from September 1. But the final decision is up to the state government. Now the state government will decide when to reopen schools, colleges, cinema halls and metro. But the most probable decision is to be from September 1. That is, many states are going to reopen schools, colleges, metro and cinema halls from September 1. Okay, till then, all the very, very best. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.